Back to nature and bushcraft with Tony Phelps. Got my old knee pads on. This is a work day at the cabin. And October the 5th, I think it is. A little cool this morning, so I had to put me on some long sleeves. Plan on working on today is I'm working on my porch, and I want to get that porch floor down if I can. And this morning early I heard the geese honking, and they just kept getting louder and louder, and I can hear the river down here. And one day we'll take us a little trip down there. But those geese formed up and they flew right over top of me, and it was they had their V formed, and they must have been 15 or 20 of them. Boy, they sure was pretty. I got to cut me down a couple of old dead standing trees and get those sawed up and chopped up for wood. And old man winter will be here before you know it. You have to wait your turn. Fine. I'll give you a bite. Let's check our breath. Hey, hurry on here. Oh, look at there. Look at there, Coco. Oh, man, look at that. Look at there, Coco. Oh, you want another bite? Already? Huh? You're going to have to wait. You're biting it quicker than I am. Look at that. Well, I might just eat that spaghetti right out of the bag. What do you think? Think that's a good idea? Thanks a lot for this wonderful food. Cocoa, that's good. You want that bite? Good girl. Good? Oh, yeah, huh? It ain't pretty, but it's good, ain't it? Folks, we got quite a bit done so far. I like about 4 or 5 more boards, decking boards, having enough to finish it out. I'll have to get those, but that's all right. Maybe I can pick them up this evening. It's been a good day in it, Coco. Sit. You gotta smell it before you eat it, ain't you? My bread? That ain't near as good as the chicken, is it? But when you got leftovers, I don't like to let it go to waste. So I'll put it in a vacuum sealed bag or something and bring it down here. Me and Coco eat it, won't we, Coco? We'll eat it, won't we? There's another mushroom, Coco. Look at there. You want another bite of chicken? Good, ain't it? fine dining cocoa. Shit. Folks, I'm gonna sit here and eat, and I don't want to punish y'all into watching me, so. But I can tell you this, it's mighty good. So, I'll catch you in a little bit. Folks, after a long, hard day, finally got my porch floor in. Pretty happy about that. So, I've been kind of waiting for this moment to actually sit on my porch, and I'm not a drinker, so I got me a non-alcoholic beer just to celebrate. Sitting on my old porch at the cabin. Very thankful. Now, Lord willing, tomorrow I'll get all this cleaned up, and I got to put in 1, 2, 3 rafters to bring this roof here on over to the all the way to the end, and that way it's got about a 2.5 foot overhang to keep the rain off of the porch, hopefully. And yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. I've been waiting a long time to do this, and I'm very thankful that I was able to get it done. And so, good time of the year too in the fall, but it's a little cooler. I don't like the heat too much, so it'll be nice sitting out here listening to the geese and watching the squirrels and deer and maybe a bear or two. We're gonna build us a little outdoor kitchen right there, and put a little cover over it, little small roof over it, and yeah. I got one more piece of plywood to put up over there, and that way it'll close in my winter bathroom for the ladies, for the little one. Of course, they'll use the outhouse, but at night, you know, it's a little bit, I guess, a little skittish to them at night. So we'll have this one in here, you know, I'll put me a compost toilet in it. And they can use that one at night and that one during the day. Yeah, that'll work. Plus 2 in there, we've got the little bathtub, and clawfoot bathtub, so they can take a bath the old-fashioned way, where you got to carry the water and heat it. But we'll do a video how we do that. And I know when I first started this, still got the hook hanging up right over there. We'd heat the water in here on the cook stove, and I took a 5-gallon bucket and drilled a hole in the bottom of it and put a shower nozzle on it. cut off, on and off, cut off valve, and so we'd stand out down there and we'd turn it on and get wet, and then soap, turn it off, then soap up, and take a bath, and then turn it back off and rinse on and rinse off. But it worked. You know, you just gotta, you know, think a little bit and improvise a little bit. Of course, some people skittish about standing outside like that and taking a little bath, but yeah, way back here in the mountains, and if anybody sees us out here, then maybe they shouldn't be out here. But anyway, folks, I was so busy working that I really didn't spend a whole lot of time with the video stuff, so I apologize to you, and showing a whole lot of it, because I really wanted to get it done. It's tried to rain all day, and so I do apologize for that, but we've got a little bit of content, so. But anyway, good strong porch floor, treated 2x8s, and then the 5/4 decking board. Yeah. I hear the geese again. All right, folks. Thank y'all for watching. Maybe now I can get back on the logs and get them run up on this side, and then I got to run them around that side, and the old cabin will start looking like something then. So y'all bear with me, and thank you for watching. Please like and share and comment if you want, and I do appreciate it. Again, this is Back to Nature and Bushcraft with Tony Fels. God bless.